Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to order you out of the car, and if you don't come out, then we're going to forcibly remove you out.
We're going to start breaking windows, and we're going to send a dog in after you.
Close your eyes.
Ready?
Obstruct. Welcome back, guys. Today we head to California, where a self-styled boat captain manages to turn a minor holiday traffic stop with his wife and kids in the car into a shattered window, a weekend in jail, and his vehicle heading off on a tow truck. All completely avoidable. Let's get into it.
So for the record, what's your name and
Officer
badge?
Vasquez.
And your badge number?
23534. It's right here.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So
you're-
what's the reason for the detainment?
So you were stopped for your expired reg tab. 5204, Adam.
Which I
Vehicle
notified
code?
you I'm not participating in commerce with the state of California. That's why it's not registered with the state. You acknowledge that's what the vehicle code's for, right?
Right.
Okay.
How to set your kids up for failure 101. Loudly arguing a long debunked belief that vehicle registration laws don't apply to you, right in front of them.
So you don't have any identification as well.
I haven't broken a law, sir. Like, minus a crime, then there's no reason to identify.
All right. Just hang tight. Like I said, you're detained. You're not free to leave. Just
Okay.
hang tight 1 second.
Okay.
Be clear, a crime is an act or omission that violates the law and is punishable by the state. Federal or state, both count. Good luck with that no crime argument. Backup arrives right about here.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good. How are
Roll
you?
that window down for me a little bit, just so we can talk.
I can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Beavers, just like the animal, 17035.
Okay. And what's your name and badge number, sir?
Officer Olivier.
23755.
Okay.
Hey,
You a supervisor?
me?
Yeah.
No, I'm the senior officer.
Senior officer. Okay.
So, hey, just trying to understand, he stopped you for registration.
Which I have a question about that anyway, because from his position where he was on the street, there's absolutely no way he could have seen my registration when I was
Orange
driving back.
tab sticks out pretty good. You can
Not from that distance.
But anyway, either way, it's expired.
For exactly. If the tag was expired, the stop was lawful. That part isn't complicated.
It's not registered with the state of California.
Okay. Well, it's
Yeah.
required to be.
In your commerce, yes, I agree with
Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you an option here
that. Okay.
to either just provide your information, license, all the information on the vehicle you have.
Yeah, I rescinded my license. I turned that in.
Okay.
So you definitely shouldn't be on the road, especially with your family in the vehicle. And let me guess, no insurance either?
So are you at least going to identify yourself by name and date of birth or anything?
No, I haven't committed any crime.
Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to order you out of the car, and if you don't come out, then we're going to forcibly remove you out, which would mean we're going to open the door.
I understand all your guys'
the window.
I understand your guys' tactics. There's absolutely no reason to do this, right? There hasn't been a crime committed. There hasn't been a crime committed. I'm peaceably traveling with my family, okay? And if
You're in the parking lot at Big Five.
if you guys want to enforce your will and cause property damage, then that's on you. Then we'll see you guys in federal court.
Funny how federal law suddenly matters when it's used to threaten an officer, but state law, clearly allowed under the 10th Amendment, doesn't, for reasons nobody can explain.
Okay, no,
Right.
that's fine. So, yeah, no, so, okay.
I'm not out here. I'm non-belligerent. I'm not trying to cause any problems with you guys.
I'm not accusing you of that at all, but
I'm just going to stand on my rights,
yeah,
right?
you do have to follow the rules. You're driving in California, you got to follow the same
I'm
rules.
not driving in
License-
commerce,
yeah,
right?
well,
You understand the whole vehicle code is
Yeah.
for commerce, right? Is that a yes or a no?
You've read too much stuff online, but
No, I've read your commerce book.
Oh, mate, you've just read too much nonsense online. If that commerce theory worked the way you claim, lawyers everywhere would be using it daily.
How you doing today, sir?
Doing great. What's your name and badge number for the record?
Yeah, 16631. So here's what we're going to do. We're either going to go with the program. I understand your position. Or we're going to start breaking windows, and we're going to send a dog in after you. Okay?
Any responsible parent, hearing what's about to happen, even if it's just a warning, would step out immediately. Unfortunately, responsibility isn't on display here.
Sergeant Garcia.
Guardia. You
Guardia.
were close, sir. Guardia.
Okay. Sorry about that. So
that's going to be up to you.
like I told your other officers,
I understand what you told them.
I'm here with my family, okay? We're just peaceably traveling on vacation.
Nope.
I've got my 4 kids in the car, and I've got my wife in the car.
And there it is, using the kids as a shield to stop the police from enforcing the law. Predictable. Shameful.
Okay, and if you guys want to choose to trample on my rights today, I've caused there's no law been broken here, okay? There's no injured party, there's no complainant, right? I know where you guys stand, I know what you guys are talking about, but I'm not in your jurisdiction, okay? The vehicle, the automobile is not registered with the state.
I understand sir, you can spare me with your back and forth on that.
It's not back and forth, I'm just letting you know where.
I get what you're saying.
Okay.
I completely understand what you're saying.
In other words, save the pseudo-legal arguments for court. Officers have heard this script 1,000 times.
Okay.
What I'm telling you is that we're gonna have to cooperate today. I'm gonna need to see some ID.
For what?
Huh?
What law have I broken in order for you?
Expired registration. You're driving without.
No, that's not expired.
So
that's
up
not.
to you, sir.
Okay.
We've already run the car. It's
Okay.
expired.
No, it's not expired.
Okay. And
it's not It's not in your jurisdiction.
Of course it isn't, sir. I
Right.
get it. So we're either gonna go one of two ways. We're either gonna get you out of the car. Okay, we're going to take you to jail.
Sir.
Your family is going to be displaced for a while because the
Sir.
car is going to go to car jail.
Sir.
Or you can continue down the path that you're doing, and we're going to stand by.
Unfortunately, I'm going to stand on my constitutional protected rights today. Okay.
If you're willing to flip your family holiday upside down over a couple citations, then the consequences are on you. I'm just angry the kids have to witness this. One last chance is given before the window goes.
Did you notice the tactics he did? He whips out his thing like he's going to break the window and all this. They want to get you to fold. I'm not folding.
How you doing, sir? I'm Chris Hamilton. I'm the captain with the California Highway Patrol out here.
How you doing, Chris?
Good. And
Good.
I appreciate the fact you're videoing me. I'm videoing you. I just want you to know that.
Okay.
So I'm going to go be very clear right now what's going to happen.
Okay.
And you got a choice.
Okay.
Okay, either you come out of the car and we take care of business and you go about your business after that. I don't know what exactly the stop was for, but it's been elevated to a point now where we're going to break out a window and we're going to pull you out of the car. Now, if you don't want that to happen in front of your family, that's your ultimatum. You come out, we take care of this or not.
Any decent dad steps out here. A selfish sovereign citizen doubles down on the script.
So, Captain Chris, like I told all of your officers here, there has been no crime committed, okay? I am simply traveling with my family. We're on vacation, exercising our constitutional rights, right? There is no law that's been broken. There's no complainant. There's no injured party. I've notified the officers. I wish to invoke my Fourth Amendment right to stay private, right? Be absent of a crime. That is my right.
Sure.
8, you can notify the president if you like. It doesn't change the fact that identifying yourself after a traffic violation does not violate the Fourth Amendment.
Sure.
Right? And I understand what you guys are out here doing and enforcing is the vehicle code. This is my private property. I'm not registered with the state of California intentionally. I've, under good faith and goodwill, rescinded my California driver's license, right? Because I'm not acting in that capacity.
I hear you. I understand you're basing this very much on the Constitution. I get that.
Right.
But I'm just letting you know what's going to happen. Because
So
we
as
are
a
California, and we are going to enforce California law, and that's what's going to go down. So I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to make your choice, and after that, one of these windows is getting.
So you
out.
don't acknowledge the Constitution?
And I'll be honest with you, if your family wasn't in there, we wouldn't even take that risk. We would send a canine in for you.
What's the purpose of a canine?
8, apparently, he doesn't know what a firm removal tool is for. Even more telling, the officers are more concerned about the kid's safety than their own father is.
Okay, so you got about 30 seconds. After that, we're going to do what we do, okay?
Officer,
right,
just to be clear, what is the intent? Officer Gardia?
Sergeant Gardia.
Sergeant Gardia? What is the intent of wanting me out of the vehicle?
Backseat, nothing on the passenger on the front.
We'll do it from the passenger side.
Okay. The baby's on the passenger side. On the back seat, but on the passenger.
Okay, we'll just do it right here.
Okay.
So what is it you guys are requesting?
You got about 5 seconds, sir. I need you to step out of the car.
For what? Is that a lawful order?
About 5 seconds, sir.
Because you're refusing, you're delaying and obstructing this officer from doing his job.
Obstructing is a physical act, right?
Or refusing to step out is physically obstructing the investigation. Another internet law graduate exposed.
Obstruction. Obstruction is
Sir, hide your eyes because you're going to get glass on you.
obstruction is physical.
Close your eyes and look away. Close your eyes.
Ready?
Obstruction is
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
officer. There's no need for all this. There's no need for all this.
It's okay. Zoe, it's okay. Zoe, it's okay. It's okay.
Goodness sake.
Zoe,
unlock
it's
it.
okay.
Go ahead. Do what
Zoe,
you do.
It's okay. Zoe, it's okay. Zoe,
on out.
it's okay. It's okay.
Here,
you
Mom.
guys, it's okay. It's okay.
Choosing a busted window over a citation is stupid. Doing it with 4 kids in the car is unforgivable.
What are you doing, sir? What are you doing?
Turning off the car.
No one's in the car in the front seat. Why do you need to turn it off? What was the point of turning it off?
The car's being impounded, ma'am.
That's fine. You don't have to turn it off.
Yes, he's cuffed. After what just happened, no one is taking chances.
It's okay, you guys. Take a deep breath. It's okay. It's okay. Take a deep breath.
some baskets before you get them in your car?
It's already off, sir.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I know. I understand. It's okay. Take a deep breath, you guys. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath. It's okay. Daddy is not hurt. It's okay. Daddy is not hurt. Take a deep breath, please.
Dad believes very silly things he read online. And because of that, Dad is going to jail again for very silly reasons.
Can you see him? What they're doing to Dad?
No.
What can you see?
All I see is white.
Okay. I can't figure out how to turn the phone around.
Do you have somebody you can call?
We're out here on vacation.
Okay.
So
Okay, so we'll just take you to a hotel or something. You can figure it out.
no.
You're just gonna walk? Because we're
I
towing
don't
the
know.
car.
Yeah, I know. Yep.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'll try and figure out. Can you give me a minute?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. We got time.
Yeah,
we got plenty of time.
we're not from here. We don't have anybody here. It's
Okay.
literally us traveling like he just told
Okay,
you.
we're more than happy to get you to a hotel. I'm not sure your comfortableness driving with us, but we'll take you to a hotel for a safe place or a
Can
restaurant.
I take my car seats?
Oh God, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, no,
So
you're
I can
entitled
take
to
my
take
stuff
any
outta
of your
here.
basic stuff. Yeah, we're
Okay.
we're only taking the car, not the
My
contents
belongings.
per se.
Well, it's okay.
Yeah,
Take a
we're
deep
not
breath.
here
Take a
to
deep breath.
hurt you.
Okay. I just.
It just could have went a lot easier than it did. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not getting into personal stuff between this, but this he would have got a fix-it ticket and went on your way, and your vacation would still be going. Instead, he's going to go to jail and sit there till Monday, unless he bails out. So
Okay.
it's just crazy. So yeah, do whatever you think you need. We're more than happy to help get you through into town to a
Okay.
hotel or
Where this is Bishop, correct?
It is.
Yeah. So what's the town right outside of Bishop?
south.
Yeah.
Big Pine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's small. There's not much there.
Yeah. Okay.
There's no real restaurants or anything there.
Okay.
So
Okay. I'll figure it out. Thank you.
After the arrest, the driver was booked into jail and the vehicle was impounded. Claims were later made that the registration may have been current, but no verified proof was available at the time. Regardless, refusing lawful orders is what turned this into a disaster. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the continued support. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.